Welcome! This training video has been designed to educate food formulators on how egg products are manufactured in the United States. The U.S. egg products market includes a variety of processed product forms, including whole eggs, whites only, and yolks only in liquid, frozen, and dried forms, and specialty pre-cooked egg products such as hard-boiled and patties. Each of these forms of eggs are experiencing increased use in commercial applications, food service, and in home cooking. Why? These egg products are comparable to shell eggs in flavor, nutritional value, and most functional properties, yet are frequently preferred to shell eggs because they offer many other advantages. They are convenient, provide labor savings, and have minimal storage requirements. They also provide ease of portion control while delivering product quality, safety, stability, and uniformity. This is all possible thanks to federal, state, and internal regulators who govern the production, distribution, and storage of each of these convenient egg products. The Inspection Act was passed in 1970. It requires that all egg product manufacturing plants follow strict safety and quality procedures. These will be identified throughout this video. Since the act was passed, the egg products industry has maintained a clean safety record. This is very impressive considering that more than 76 billion eggs are consumed annually, with slightly more than 30% in the form of egg products in liquid, frozen, or dried form. The fact is, nutritionally and functionally, the powers of eggs are supplied by nature, while the safety record is provided by the hard work and conscientious effort of the producers who implement best practices. So let's take a step-by-step look at these best practices, which all begin when the egg arrives at the breaking facility. Egg breaking facilities can either be located on an egg production farm or at a nearby manufacturing plant. Regulations require that shell eggs being held or transported be refrigerated at or below 45 degrees Fahrenheit. Humidity is also kept relatively high to minimize moisture loss. However, humidity should not exceed 80%. Maintaining these humidity levels is important because shell eggs can lose up to 1% moisture of their weight every week due to moisture loss. And since egg products are sold by weight, moisture loss means less egg product being delivered. When shell eggs arrive at the breaking facility, the count, the weight, source, and conditions of the eggs are recorded. This information is retained for traceability. Now let's move on to the transfer room. It is somewhat isolated from the rest of the plant. This is important in order to keep fresh from the farm eggs away from those that have been cleaned and sanitized. In the transfer room, shell eggs are unloaded from the pallets onto the conveyor belts that will move them into the washing and candling machines. The Egg Product Inspection Act requires that all shell eggs be washed and sanitized before they are broken. Continuous conveyors move the eggs through the cleaning system where all areas of the shell are exposed to spray detergent and placed in contact with cleaning brushes. Regulations specify the wash water must be at least 90 degrees Fahrenheit. The water must also be at least 20 degrees Fahrenheit warmer than the warmest egg being processed. Wash water must also be changed every 4 hours. Maintaining proper temperature is critical because eggshells begin to crack when water is more than 50 degrees Fahrenheit hotter than the internal egg temperature. The egg white will also begin to coagulate at 144 degrees Fahrenheit. The eggs are washed with a detergent solution and then conveyed through a sanitizing rinse containing 100 to 200 parts per million chlorine or its equivalent. The rinse water must be as warm or warmer than the wash water. Before proceeding to the breaking area, the shell eggs go through a process called candling. This is a process that allows a glimpse inside the egg without breaking the shell. This allows the quality of the egg to be judged. Many years ago, this quality assurance step was performed using real candles, hence the name. Today, a specific light source is used while the eggs move on the conveyor. Defective, restricted, and inedible eggs are removed from the process as defined in Part 7, the Code of Federal Regulations, Section 57.1. This includes eggs with leaking shells or blood or meat spots. The conveyor belt then transports the eggs into the breaking room. Here they are conveyed one by one into the breaking machine where separation of whites and yolks occur immediately. Each products eventually sold as whole eggs are a combination of separated whites and yolks in the proper ratio. After separation, the liquid egg products are filtered to remove any residual shell material. At this point, salt, sugar, or corn syrup might be added to those egg products that will be frozen. These ingredients are sometimes added to yolks and whole eggs to prevent yolk gelation during freezing. Of course, all ingredients must pass stringent quality and safety checks before being added. Liquid product is then typically homogenized for uniformity. Homogenization is accomplished by pumping the liquid through a small opening at very high pressure. This reduces the size of the particles and disperses them evenly throughout the liquid, ensuring effective pasteurization. The Egg Product Inspection Act requires that all liquid egg products be pasteurized to destroy salmonella. This is a pathogenic microorganism which, when consumed, can result in food poisoning and can be fatal. Many egg breaking facilities will pasteurize and further process the liquid egg products, making it ready for final use. However, sometimes liquid egg products is transported unpasteurized in refrigerated tanker trucks to another facility for pasteurization, further processing, and packaging. Of course, a detailed paper trail is maintained to ensure complete traceability. Pasteurization slows microbial growth, likely making it the most important step in ensuring the safety of egg products. However, if shell eggs are not properly cleaned and inspected, held at proper temperatures and humidity, and broken in approved manner, the liquid egg product will never make it to the pasteurization step. So, just what is the pasteurization step and why is it such an important safety step? Pasteurization is a process of heating a food, usually a liquid, in a closed system to a specific time and temperature. With egg products, the temperature varies by egg product, but is always held at that temperature for a minimum of 3.5 minutes, followed by immediate cooling to 34 to 36 degrees Fahrenheit. Flow diversion valves prevent the product from moving to the packaging lines if either time or temperature requirements are not met. After liquid egg is pasteurized, it moves to the packaging room. These areas are designed to provide protection from post-process contamination. To help keep egg products safe, packaging materials require special handling, such as being stored in a clean, dry environment consistent with good manufacturing practices. Packaging materials must also not pass through the breaking room where unpasteurized products are present. When shipped by truckload, eggs are transported in a sanitary tank trucks that maintain temperatures low enough to assure that liquid egg arrives at its destination at 40 degrees Fahrenheit or lower. Other refrigerated products containers include bags, cartons, and totes. Frozen egg products are generally packed in large plastic pails. Some of those are cook-in bag pouches or waxed or other plastic cartons. To maintain the safety and quality, frozen egg products should always be thawed under refrigeration or under cold running water in unopened containers. After defrosting unused thawed egg products, they should be refrigerated and used within 3 days. Dried or dehydrated egg products, sometimes referred to as egg solids, are used in a wide number of convenience food as well as in food service industry. Unopened dried egg products should be stored in a cool, dry place away from light. Temperatures in these storage areas should be below 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Opened containers should be tightly sealed and refrigerated. Specialty pre-cooked products are refrigerated or frozen immediately after preparation. They should always be stored at 40 degrees Fahrenheit or lower. All egg products must be pasteurized. They must test negative for salmonella. Liquid, frozen, and dried egg product processors operate under continuous USDA inspection. Periodic inspection of egg product transportation and distribution companies. To summarize, the safety of egg products is assured by the combination of good manufacturing practices, diligent record keeping for traceability, and the Egg Products Inspection Act mandating pasteurization of all egg products. Also, all egg products are continuously monitored for salmonella. This includes the use of salmonella tests run by the egg product industry and the Food Safety and Inspection Service of the USDA. Only products shown to be salmonella negative can be sold. Plants that break, dry, and process shell eggs into liquid, frozen, or dried egg products must operate under a continuous USDA inspection program. This oversight assures that an official inspector is present at all times that eggs are being processed. Firms that transport, ship, or receive shell eggs and egg products may also be checked periodically. Since the Egg Products Inspection Act was passed in 1970, there have been no recorded outbreaks of salmonellosis linked to pasteurized egg products. The industry is rightfully very proud of this safety record. In conclusion, all businesses in the egg product supply chain comply with the Egg Products Inspection Act. The end user of the egg product must responsibly and properly use, store, and dispose of expired product to ensure quality and safety is maintained. Thank you for viewing this training video on the safety of egg product manufacturing in the United States. Now that you are confident in the safety and quality of egg products, please take the time to view the other training modules to learn about egg product functionality and key applications.